stay there fool yourself, you know. But the Bible say, Abraham begotten Isaac, Isaac begotten Jacob, Jacob begotten Judas, Judas begotten Esau, Cain and Abel, and so on and so on and so forth. Yeah? A whole heap of begotten was taking place way back when, and a whole heap of begotten that take place right now. Yeah? So me want my share the begotten too. Where you go? Still listen to me, man, you started. Yeah? You see you come in just like a cat. Yeah? Hey, tell me, you ever see two cats fucking yet? Huh?
The word is copulating.
I know it as fucking. Yeah? No, you never see them. You call us dogs. But a dog you can train. Yeah? You can train a dog to stay and him stay. But a cat, never. As soon as you turn your back, him thief your fish, your chicken, your deer, you name it. Yeah? You hear me? Us dogs, you can always catch us fucking. But you know if you hide and sneak and thief, just like a cat.